Do you want to create a page for your brand or business? Today I'll be showing you a straightforward video on how to create a Facebook page. Open the Facebook app on your device. Tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll through and tap on Pages. In the Pages section, you tap on the plus Create button located at the top left corner of the screen. Facebook offers different kinds of pages based on different categories like businesses or brand. So, you enter the required information for your page, which typically includes the page name, the category. You choose a category for your brand. Then, once you have filled out the information, you tap on Create Page or Next at the bottom of the screen to proceed. Now, you describe your page. Tap on Continue and you fill the details to finish setting up your page. You can choose to skip that if you want to. You can also customize the page further by adding a cover photo. You tap on the camera icon on the page. You can also invite friends to like your page. You can also add a call to audio button like contact us, shop now, and so on. Once you're satisfied with the setup on your page, you tap on Next. You can invite friends here. So, once you're satisfied, you tap on Publish or Done to make your page live on Facebook. You can now manage your page, post updates, respond to messages, and interact with followers directly from your page. Make sure you regularly update your page with relevant content to engage your audience effectively. That's it. You have successfully created a page for your brand on Facebook. Do well to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips. Bye.